In this video, I'll show you how to fix the LS-0013 launch error on Epic Games. Now first what we want to do is come down here and search for our task manager. In here we want to turn off everything that we don't use. So in this case I would end task with Steam, CapCut, Google Chrome, maybe even Spotify if you don't listen to music, Microsoft Edge, all of this that I'm not using. Now those can cause issues with your Epic Games, so just turn it off. After that you want to come down here and search for run, press enter, type in %local app data %, press OK. Now in here you want to find Epic Games Launcher, saved, web cache. In here you want to rename this folder. Before we can do that we need to close down our Epic Games, so just do it from here, exit. Now once you've done that you can rename this and just rename it to anything with this in the name. So just add a letter or something like B, just like this. Because whenever we open our new Epic Games Launcher, it's going to make a new folder of this with the correct name. So after this, what you want to do is simply just come down here, Windows Update, check if you have any updates. It's only going to take a few seconds. Just let it load. Let's see if you have any new updates that you need to take. Now I'm pretty sure I already have the latest one, so this one will just come back that I don't need any updates. Just like that. After that, what you want to do is find your Epic Games Launcher right here, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and in here you want to activate these two. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Once you've done that, you want to open up Epic Games and I'll show you what you need to do from in there. Now once Epic Games is opened, what you want to do is head over to Library, click on the three dots of the game that you're trying to play, Manage, and click Verify Files. Now this will verify all your installation files and make sure there's no errors and corruption in them. So once you've done that, simply try and restart your PC, launch the game and see if it works now. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.